So these bad boys may or may not be coming off the truck. We'll see. I got an awesome offer that I really can't pass up. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be installing some awesome headlights I got for my truck. I'm so excited, so stay tuned, let's get to it. Damn, got the whips out. Truck's super dirty like usual. Got the golf cart almost done, almost. Lift kit done, spacers done. Got a little bit of poke, not that much poke, but a little bit, that's all right. And then we got our new tires we gotta throw on still, and then waiting on rear seat kit, a bunch of other stuff, you know how it is. Awesome eBay wheel, a little hole in there, it's fine. Got some lavender, oh yeah boys. Okay, so I gotta do some other stuff today, so I'm gonna try to make this super fast, so it's probably just gonna be like a quick time lapse. I'm not gonna talk about it much since they're factory headlights, whatever. It's just a different harness I gotta do, so I'll try to inform you guys about it when I get there, but that's all I can really do. Give you all a little sneak peek with some dog hair.
Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick-ass boy! Damn!
Yo, fill the room with the juice. That's a lot of loot.